Father, to the Son,
yes,
and to the Holy One of Iration. Silla!
Yeah. Rastafari.
Let your food be a medicine.
And your medicine be your food. Good vibes, everybody.
Yeah.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision.
Wagwan people, yeah man, so look, it's a good vibes. Big up yourself, you don't know. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision people, yeah. So guess what? Today we're taking a trip down to Brixton. Yeah man, we're gonna be in Brixton today people, yeah. You understand? Gonna check out the market and just see if we can cook a quick food. Just an introduction food, you understand? Just so that when we actually go back down to Brixton now, we know exactly what we're going to be doing and how we're going to be executing it, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man, one love to each and every one of you. Our good vibes, 24-hour kitchen people, yeah? When we say we're there? We're there in our 24-hour kitchen, cooking. Remember, say we're on the marathon, everybody, yeah? And we want to feed 1 million people. That is it, our good vibes.
Yes, Ringo. So what we doing, man? Tell the people
Yeah,
what
so
we're doing.
right now, what's happening? We're in Brixton right now. I will just cook a pot of Ital sip.
Yes.
I'm just going to feed up the people in Brixton right now. Our good vibes.
Good vibes, Ringo.
Now, see your coffee.
Balance, yo.
Yes, it's the style of it.
Yes, big man, respect. Big up
And with the music as well, it's just charm is an artist. Internationally, I'm an artist as well, internationally. From God, I feel and we just sang
And that's yours, yeah.
Say the shopman want to.
Captain, Selassie.
Let's get the whole atmosphere.
One, two more for the shop.
Tex, what's the verdict on the soup so far, man?
Yeah, I eat, you know, you don't know, you know, Ital is vital, you know, Ringo Vision, you know, cook and vibe, you know. Yeah, me I say on Table Time Podcast, this sip is great.
Jeez.
Feeling great like Rasta Charmer, hear that?
Aye. Big up Rush Charmer in the building.
Big up Ringo Vision, you know.
Aye.
Prosperity, my brother. You're doing a great work, you're doing a great job. Give thanks to the chef, you know, man who feed the nation, you know.
Yeah, man.
And the hungry be fed, the naked be clothed, be nourished, and age protected.
Jeez.
More blessings, Ringo Vision, and give thanks. Royal and Ital and vital.
How's the
Rich
soup?
and wealthy.
How's the soup? How's it tasting?
Royal.
Tastes royal.
Ital is vital. Although it's Ital, you don't miss nothing because salt and sugar killer.
Row two.
Alright, so that's enough share up for now.
Yeah, enough share out for now.
Yeah.
That's it.
So friend, all the sip as well. A good vibe.
Thank you, my bro.
Yeah man, a good vibe. So yes people, big up yourself. Yeah man, a good vibes, everybody big up yourself. Ringo Vision all the sip as well. Give thanks, you know. Yeah, give thanks. That is it, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks, man.
Yes,
Thanks, I'm looking for
Blessings,
yeah.
hear that? And the man with the vision, you know. The man with the vision. Keep doing it, bro. Keep doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, blessings, man.
Yeah, man, a good vibes. A good vibes, a good
Yeah,
vibe.
man, but land on time.
Yeah.
And scale here.
Father, Son, to the Son,
Yes.
and to the Holy One of Iration. Silla!
Yeah. Rastafari.
Let your food be a medicine.
And your medicine be your food. Good vibes, everybody.
Yeah.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah.
Must say, people, yeah, what an amazing day. You understand? Link up with Addis Ababa, link up with Artex, link up with also Rush Charmer people. Yeah, me and Fen was in Brixton. You understand? It was only like a little link up. You understand? It weren't your one where you see Ringo out shubbing around, cooking and trying to feed everybody. This one was just like a togetherness within the circle of people that I know in Brixton, so that just let them know that I'm going to be down in the town and we're going to be cooking some food. You understand, people? Yeah, so it was actually good just to link up with Rush Charmer, especially Addis Ababa people. Yeah, so when I go down to Brixton, you're going to see me at Addis Ababa's stall. Yeah, kicking it off from there, traveling through the market. You understand, going around through the town of Brixton, people. Yeah, and just be cooking, feeding the people, especially trying to find the needy and the homeless. You understand, people? Yeah, so one love to each and every one of you. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, people. Yeah, it was just a small food. You understand that we just cook a Ital thing, and that one there that we cooked today had yellow yam, it had white yam in there, it had some cocoa in there as well, pumpkin, cho-cho, turnip, scallion, thyme, red onion, red pepper. You understand, people? Yeah, and guess what we put tonight as well for kick off the flavour? The Scotch bonnet pepper made it just right, everybody. Yeah, come on, man. I really enjoyed that one there, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Yeah, a good vibes. Big up yourself. But we say we're there. We're outside right now, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.